You're sitting at the closing table. The $500,000 mortgage papers are in front of you. The loan officer smiles and says, "Congratulations, you're approved. This is your new home." You sign. Everyone claps. You feel like you've arrived. 3 months later, your budget is wrecked. You're paying $400 more a month than you expected. And that's before anything breaks. You're dipping into savings just to cover the normal bills. You thought the mortgage payment was the only cost. You were wrong. The banks don't tell you about the hidden costs, because if they did, most people would walk away. My name is David. If you're considering a $500,000 mortgage or already have one and feel the squeeze, stay with me. In under 5 minutes, the 5 hidden costs of a $500,000 mortgage the banks won't tell you, and God's escape plan before it's too late. But first, hidden cost number 5 is the one that sneaks up and hits hardest. Hidden cost number 5, private mortgage insurance, PMI. If you put down less than 20%, $100,000, you pay PMI $150 to $400 per month until you reach 20% equity. Banks love it. They get protected while you pay extra for years. Why it hurts? That's $1,800 to $4,800 a year. Money that could go to savings or giving. Biblical escape. Proverbs 22:7. The borrower is slave to the lender. Avoid PMI by saving aggressively for a 20% down payment. Debt is never normal in God's economy. Hidden cost number 4 is the one everyone forgets until something breaks. Hidden cost number 4, maintenance and repairs. Rule of thumb. Budget 1 to 2% of home value annually, $5,000 to $10,000 per year, or $400 to $800 per month. Roof, $15,000. HVAC, $7,000. Plumbing leaks, appliances, it adds up fast. Why it destroys budgets. People budget only for the mortgage, not the house itself. Biblical escape. Proverbs 24:3-4. By wisdom, a house is built, and by understanding, it is established. Plan and save for repairs. Don't be caught off guard. The next hidden cost makes the payment feel even bigger. Hidden cost number 3, property taxes and homeowners insurance. Taxes on a $500,000 home can be $4,000 to $10,000 per year, $333 to $833 per month. Insurance has skyrocketed, $2,000 to $5,000 per year, $167 to $417 per month. Together, $500 to $1,250 per month on top of your principal and interest. Biblical escape. Luke 14:28. Count the cost before building. Many don't, and end up house poor. Hidden cost number 2 is the one that keeps people chained longest. Hidden cost number 2, opportunity cost of locked equity. Your $100,000 down payment is tied up in the house instead of invested at 7 to 10% returns. That's $7,000 to $10,000 per year you're not earning. Forever. Why it's deadly? You're building equity while missing real compound growth. Biblical escape. Proverbs 21:5. The plans of the diligent lead surely to abundance. Invest what you can. Don't lock it all in one illiquid asset. The number 1 hidden cost is the one that destroys peace more than any other. Hidden cost number 1, constant financial anxiety. You check your account obsessively. You dread every bill. One unexpected expense and you're in crisis. Biblical escape. Philippians 4:6-7. Do not be anxious about anything, but in everything by prayer, the peace of God will guard your hearts. If the house produces fear instead of peace, it's not God's plan. Get free, even if it means downsizing or renting. The banks and agents won't tell you these 5 hidden costs because they profit when you buy. God tells you the truth. Freedom, peace, and generosity matter more than square footage. If you're seeing any of these signs, don't wait. Recalculate, downsize, rent, and invest. Trust His provision. Comment below right now. Which hidden costs surprise you most? What's your first step this week? Subscribe for more biblical finance truth. Hit the bell. May the Lord give you wisdom, courage, and true financial freedom.